Hi guys, welcome to the channel. I'm the Jacobian Dev, and in this video, I'll be going through how you can quickly host your Autodesk Platform Services apps on GitHub pages. This is very useful if you want to quickly send the app to a colleague or client for testing. For this video, I'll be using an APS React app that automates processes in ACC and BIM 360. The site is live on GitHub pages where I can sign into my Autodesk account to access the data. To get started, I'll head to VS Code where I have the React app project set up. First, I need to make sure that I have Node and NPM installed. I'll check my Node and NPM versions to confirm that they have been installed. I'll also need to make sure that I have Git installed. I've added links to the installer files in the description. First, I'll navigate to my GitHub account. In the repos page, I'll create a new repository. I'll set the name as ACC Auto and the description to ACC Automation App. I'll set the repository privacy as public. If you're a GitHub Pro user, you can set the privacy to private. I'll leave all the other options set to none and proceed to create the repository. Next, I'll navigate back to VS Code where I've got the React app set up. I'll then install the GitHub Pages npm package and designate it as a dev dependency. I'll navigate to the package.json file. Here I'll add a homepage property in the following format. This is where you should add your username, and this is where you should add the repo's name. I've added the homepage URL format in the description. This will be the app's homepage URL. I'll then add a pre-deploy property and a deploy property to the scripts object. I'll initiate a new repository. I'll then add a remote that points to the GitHub repository by running the following command. This is where you should add your username, and this is where you should add the repo's name. This command tells Git where to push the project code. The next step is to push the React app to the GitHub repo. I'll run the npm run deploy command. This will run the pre-deploy and the deploy scripts defined in the package.json file. I'll navigate to the repo. I'll refresh the page, and here we can see the app has been added. Lastly, I need to configure GitHub Pages. I'll navigate to the GitHub Pages settings page. I'll make sure that deploy from branch option is selected. I'll also make sure the branch is set to GH Pages and the folder to root. We can then access the React app by clicking on Visit Site. Here we can see the app running on the specified homepage URL. That should be it for this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe.